Ladies and gentlemen, let me remind you that this airline is a budget airline, so the plane will not be flying. But moving on the road, we will take the highway instead.
Finally a plane I can take. I'm afraid of heights.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this don't upset you, but we have to make an emergency landing in Dubai. Why? Because I have to attend my girlfriend's middle school graduation party.
Huh?
Oh, and also, happy 8th birthday, babe!
Freeze! I'm the police! I'm gonna search the cockpit!
So, cabin crew prepare for arrival and hardcore set. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it appears we have Will Smith
Ooh, Will Smith! Is he the one that starred in the Jingle Balls movie?
and Jada Smith on the plane. Please welcome them aboard.